Okay guys, I'm back with a review. It's been a while since I got to post any videos. I just got the boosted board. I'm also waiting for the extended battery pack to come in, but it's been raining every day down here, so I couldn't ride the board. I bought a lawn sweeper for the front and backyard, which I still got to do a review on that, but if I were to do a review and it's raining every day, so I can't really cut the grass like I want to. But I did get the iRobot Roomba 960 for the house. I also have 3 dogs that I'm trying to keep up with. I think the other one, there's the other one. So I have 3 big dogs, and the dog hair, we keep up with it. It's not bad, but something to give us a little help around the house, so I decided to get the Roomba. Okay, so I use the app on my phone to start the Roomba. So quick Roomba, wait for everything to load up. It's good, hit clean. We've been using it for about 2 weeks now. I'm trying to use it once a day just to keep up with the hair around the house. And if you have pets that shed a lot, I would highly recommend it. But his name is Wally. I didn't do an unboxing of it because there's tons of videos of unboxing, but I wanted to show y'all because I've been having the room. About buying the Roomba or any robot vacuum cleaner was how good is it going to do with my 3 dogs that have in a house. I know they shed. We use the hand vacuum once a day, trying to keep up. That way everything's neat. But sometimes you forget, or sometimes you just don't have time to use the hand vacuum because you got other things going on. The Roomba's perfect. You can set the timer for it on the app. As soon as you get home, just pull out your phone, click go. You can start cooking dinner, doing laundry, go cut the grass. and the Roomba actually becomes that third hand that you needed in the household. So 2 thumbs up to the iRobot 960.